Let's divide 310 by 2. Hey super math stars! It's me, your favorite math tutor, here with another awesome video. If you're ready to conquer division, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you don't miss any of our fun math adventures. Alright, let's start dividing 310 by 2. We'll begin with the first digit, which is 3. We're going to use the first digit 3 as our first partial dividend. How many times does 2 fit into 3? It fits 1 time. Let's check 1 times 2 is 2, write 2 below the 3. Now let's subtract 3 minus 2 equals 1. That's our remainder for this step. Awesome job, you're doing great. Now let's bring down the next digit, which is 1, to make our new number 11. Next up we have the number 11. Look at that, we made a new number. We're using the remainder 1 and the next digit 1 to make 11. How many times does 2 fit into 11? It fits 5 times. Let's multiply 5 times 2 is 10. Write 10 below 11. Subtract again, 11 minus 10 equals 1. We have a remainder of 1. You're on a roll, keep up the amazing work. Let's bring down the last digit 0 to make our new number 10. We're at the last step with the number 10. We're almost done. We're using the remainder 1 and the last digit 0 to make 10. How many times does 2 fit into 10? It fits 5 times. Let's check 5 times 2 is 10. Write 10 below the 10. Subtract 1 last time. 10 minus 10 equals 0. No remainder this time. Fantastic, you solved it perfectly. And that's it, we've divided 310 by 2. The answer is 155. We did it, we found out that 310 divided by 2 is 155. Great job, everyone. We just tackled a long division problem together, step by step. Remember, even big numbers can be divided with patience and a little bit of practice. You've got this. That's all for today, Math Explorers. Keep practicing, stay curious, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.